Guys, now let's talk about maxima and minima problems. Guys, these techniques here that we're going to apply here in theory, they have been introduced already in Math 1, alright? So, let's quickly take an example for this one, okay? We can take an example in your tutorials. Let's look at quickly an example here in a tutorial, 2 questions. Tutorial 2, question 5, okay. A cylindrical beverage can, with a volume of 340 milliliters, has to be manufactured with minimum costs. Then find the radius, okay. Guys, you are given a volume which is 340 milliliter. Remember, they ask us to find the radius. We cannot find radius in milliliters or in liters. So you need to convert this one into millimeters or meters, okay? So there is a small table here that you need to know. When you have a meter cubic, okay, then decimeter cubic, okay, centimeter cubic, then millimeters cubic. What you need to know here is what? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 liter, okay? So, but in this case here, we have 340 milliliter, and you have to know the relation that is between meter cubic and liters, okay? So as you said, 1 centimeter cubic is equal to 1 liter. We're going to put the liter, okay? Then here, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter, okay? We have 340 milliliter, 340 milliliter. So we can see that 340 milliliter is the same thing as 340 millimeter cubic. So this is what we're going to use for this question here, because they asked the question, we have to find what? The radius. Okay. You need to know the formula of the volume of a cylinder. Okay. Which is what? Which is pi r squared multiplied by the height, okay? We already know our volume. Our volume is what? Is 340 millimeter cubic. Must be equal to what? To 340. In this one here, we can find our height. Height is going to be equal to what? To 340 over pi r squared. We found the height. But you also need to find what? The area of a cylinder. Okay. What is the area of the cylinder? Area of a cylinder is going to be equal to what? To 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times the height. Okay. So after finding this, we just introduced the formula of the area. We already know our height. Our height is all of this. So you're going to replace this value here, there, where there is height. So our area can change to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r multiplied by what? 340 over pi r squared. Alright, guys. So we can see that r and r they can cancel. We can cancel also pi and pi. So guys, after cancelling that, we're going to have area 2 pi r squared plus 2 multiplied by 340 is going to be 600 and what? 680 over r. Right. Then after this, we're now going to differentiate this equation, the area. So it's going to be dA over dr, and we differentiate this. We're going to have 4 pi r. Then when we differentiate this, it's going to be negative 680, okay, over r squared. So now this we're going to say is equal to what? To 0, in order for us to find r, the radius, okay. So after doing all the calculation here, you will find out that r is equal to what? To square root with that index 3 there, okay, 680 over 4 pi, and your answer should be 3,78239 millimeters. As you can see, guys, maxima and minima, there's not a lot of stuff to talk about here. What you need to know is to know what you need to know, sorry, is the area and the volume of a specific solid. Okay, the formulas, you need to know them, and after that you will be able to do everything we just did here for any kind of problems that you come across with. Okay, guys.